Hello and welcome to Ras Al Khaimah. Hello out there. It has been a bit quiet around us lately, but not because we are resting, on the contrary. With today's video we start into a new, exciting and impressive journey in the United Arab Emirates. On this trip to a country full of luxury and high society, we start as it should be, in Emirates Business Class. We've seen some business classes lately, like British or Iberia, maintaining the operations with very limited service. Not so Emirates. Here everything felt as usual. Maybe with more plastic. Great food, and the flight attendant even brought me both desserts. A great airline. However, I have to admit, this airline stays number 2 in my personal ranking after Qatar. I love the queue suites and the offer of order what, how much and when you want. But that's grumbling at a very high level. After arriving in the Emirates, our first target was the Waldorf Astoria Ras Al Khaimah in the north. We booked the pickup service from the airport and had a great trip of 45 to 50 minutes with a nice BMW directly into paradise. See for yourself. Basically, the hotel is 14 kilometers outside the city in Al Khamra village. A new relaxing golf and beach area next to an artificial island. We've arrived here already at 7 AM and the hotel made sure that our room would be ready. We've received an insane upgrade of 8 room categories into a king tower suite with sea view and balcony. Well guys, life can be great. We are the yellow dot on the floor plan and we see 4 areas in this 170 square meter suite. The living room, with almost the size of my whole apartment, has a working desk, a couch and TV area, and a dining table. Oh, someone's ringing. They probably forgot something. Just a small gift, 1 kilogram of fruits and selections of pralines and dates. I am a little bit speechless, I must admit. Okay. Coffee machine and plenty of water are also in the room and are getting refilled twice a day. Next to the entrance there is a small bathroom, which is not that small actually. And from the entrance area we move on to the other half of this suite. Here you first enter a makeup room from which you can walk into the bedroom, the bathroom and the walk-in closet. The bathroom is also half a dance area and the word luxurious also perfectly fits here. And also here we meet our good old friend Salvatore Ferragamo. On the other side we have the water closet and next to it the rain shower with 12 body jets from all sides. Last stop, the bedroom. Size and design are quite similar to the living room, but of course there is a large king-size bed, some armchairs with a small table, and a large couch. The room is very bright, though the windows are tinted. The room description contained sea view and balcony, so there is one more hidden stop here. This is amazing. On the 15th floor you have a wonderful view onto the whole area around you. The hotel is located next to a conference center directly at the beach and provides several pool areas. Everything is super relaxing here. To have a feeling for the room, we are located on the right half of the tower with a bullseye, and above there is one of 4 restaurants where we go next. The Marjan restaurant has an Arabic focus and is definitely another highlight here. You can sit outside for a drink and enjoy this fantastic view. By the way, you directly look onto a DoubleTree and a Hampton on the artificial island. And you can also sit inside with a very special flair. For dinner, there was a 3-course menu offer for 2 with a lot of different local tastes. The mixture was simply great, but to be honest, also 4 persons could have eaten that. We were that full that we asked for the dessert as takeaway. So how does a normal day look like in this wonderful place? Well, super easy. You start with a large breakfast on the ground floor. Also here you can sit inside or outside. You find bread and cold cuts at the buffet, and the rest gets served on the table. The selection is amazing, but I don't have to mention that, I guess. Fresh fruits and cheese are served automatically. Dishes such as poached eggs or even full English breakfast are available on request. After breakfast, go outside and explore this amazing resort. Go swimming, have a drink, walk around, and keep in mind, all this is built as a lovely place in the desert. One gimmick in the elevator: you can select a floor and you can cancel it. Wow. Next up, afternoon tea on the ground floor. They have a real nice a la carte selection, but of course we booked the whole package. There was an upgrade offer in the app in advance, which gives you the large selection and a glass of champagne each for 2 persons, at a fair price. So we couldn't resist. And damn it, it looks and also tastes great. After so much food, the next walk is necessary. So we have a look onto the Italian restaurant, which we will attend in the evening. By the way, there is also a steakhouse and a Japanese restaurant on site, which we didn't have time to try. And there is a bar on the 17th floor, which is currently closed due to local regulations. The Italian food was also great, but we expect nothing less here. So let's come to the conclusion. This hotel impressed us so much that we introduce a new category. For the Waldorf Astoria Ras Al Khaimah, we award 5 diamonds superior. A hotel that is unparalleled. With a brilliant start, we continue our journey of discovery through the Emirates. There is still much to discover. Stay tuned and see you out there. Your Alex from Gaia Dreams.